It's nice, bro. Look at this fancy little eraser. Looks all modern. Looks like Tesla. It's got a little magnet. I think it's a magnet. Yeah, magnetic. I think it's magnetic. It doesn't really hold very well. So we actually had a neighbor come by yesterday. Well, we were having the lawn guys were here cutting the grass. By the way, I didn't give him a shout out last time. The guy's name is Adon Castillo. Blades Down Landscaping, I believe. Guy usually, he's that dude. I don't know how he's got all that time to respond to so many messages on Facebook, but that dude, like, he's always on the Facebook groups. Good dude. I've known him for a while. He actually does my other house. He's out there cutting the grass, and he's on the ditch in the front, over in that front corner. And I was like, well, I don't know. I mean, that's literally the only piece of grass that's there, because everywhere else around us is like farmland, I guess. I mean, it's already like, what do you call it? Tilled and stuff. So it's just dirt. They take care of it, but so that piece of grass, I was like, well, shoot, it's still kind of in the front of our property. So include that, because it looked bad the one time that I did it. Anyways, while he's out there mowing, some guy rolls up to him and be like, you know, you're cutting my grass, right? He's like, it's okay. It'll grow back, but you're cutting my grass. This is my property. And so he didn't know. He's just, you know, cutting the grass where I told him to cut the grass. But again, it's up by the ditch. So I honestly thought it was like city property before anybody else's property. Well, apparently it's his property. He was nice about it, but he was like a passive aggressive nice, like, so he wanted me to talk to him, and so I had to give him a call and whatever. Long story short, I guess he's got some sort of dispute with the owner of the property. The fence that's been here, it looks like it's been here for who knows how many years, is supposedly like several feet onto his property. And he got the survey done yesterday. I'm gonna go show you the survey, how it looks out there. And tighter than a baby's bum. There we go. There's no way this light little magnet's gonna work. The trajectory of American AF dumpsters right there. Ha! Let's go out there. Go show you what this guy's talking about. So this is that front section. So basically there's this fence here, and again, I just figured let's mow the ditch because it looks crappy. It's like right in front of here. So I don't know, I don't really care. I mean, who's gonna care if we were to mow, you know, a little bit of section of their property, even if it is somebody else's? I had no idea what somebody else's, honestly. But again, it's like right on the other side of this fence. So, but apparently he got the he had the surveyors come, and they look like a, I guess that's, I don't even know what that means.
Brahms.
But
Brahms coming soon. For
real, something. But he had this, and so he's got his survey lines over there. So that must be city, I guess. Again, the city's not going to care if we were to mow the ditch. But then this little triangle we mowed, and I guess this was something that he said the grass will grow back, I guess. Like, oh, like I won't make that big of a deal because I guess it'll grow back. Oh, okay. How about you're welcome, but okay. And so up here, he's not happy because the fence line is on his property. I'm like, okay, not my problem. Again, I'm just a renter. They plant stuff. I have no idea because I've only been here a few months, and only in the wintertime. So I don't know what this is gonna grow to be. Like, I don't know what it would be. It's not gonna be corn, right? I have no idea. But this is where the guy staked his property. So I guess if you stand right there and you look down this way, the crooked ass T-post fence line that we got here, it looks like it's pretty much in line, right? For the most part. I mean, a couple T-posts have fallen over, but then if you stand from here to his property line over there. So stand on this side of it and kind of show. So I'm thinking what he meant is the little corner is literally this little corner right here is what he's disputing. So again, if I was the owner, I'd be like, bro, seriously, like, okay, you can have your 2x2 section. And obviously this post has been here. It definitely looks like it's been here quite a long time. So this dispute has been going on for a while. Have at it, homie. He said he's gonna put a new fence line in. Okay, great. Better for us. I mean, I'd appreciate it. I don't really care. Again, even if it was my property, which I would love for it to be my property one day, I would hope that he was willing to sell it to me. But if it was, have at it. I asked him, I said, are my dumpsters like on your property or anything of mine that's on? No. Okay, well, that's what you got to worry about, bro. More power to you. I got dumpsters to deliver. Let's get to work. Gotta go quick. Lots of cars coming. Alright, so he said place a dumpster on the right hand side of the porch if you're facing the house. Really? On the right hand side? He wants me to see if I can find a scrapper for him, which there's plenty of scrappers in the area. Apparently that car's been sitting here for 40 years. He wants to give that away. And all this metal back here. So I'll take a couple pictures. See if it's worth anything. Oh, he was trying to give Daniel that lawnmower. I'm asking what he wants for this property. I'm sure this would be deemed a semi-use residential and commercial. David, you want this car?
It's looking kind of fire, not gonna lie.
You can have it for free, bro. And a riding lawnmower?
Die hard.
It's a Craftsman. You know how I could tell? The square body. You know, Craftsman came out in like 1982 with this specific square body. I'm sign that says Craftsman right here. It's been the sticker's been removed. And it says right there on the, on the rubber.
I'm like, why does he know all this?
Can you imagine like one of those guys, oh yeah.
Yeah.
There's guys that are like that. That's definitely not me.
Yeah, this is a 1952 Craftsman.
Yeah. They only came out with one color in that year, you know.
This color.
Yeah, yeah, Russ. Bro, if I could open a door and sit inside the car, that'd be a thumbnail. I would not sit in that shit though.
Why not? Unlock it.
Oh, we got comic books from like 1940.
Yo, is that a whole bed up in there? That's a bed, right?
No, it's a seat folded over.
Oh, dang.
Seats folded down, it's carpeted. You know, because back in the day, you know, they carpeted seats. No.
Oh, wow, that button is stiff.
Look at, bro, they got a comic book, bro.
I remember you lame, bro. I remember when I used to. Oh!
Solid. You don't hear car doors like that no more. That's just solid. I think it's a Ford station wagon. No, like a, what is it, like Ford Galaxy? Oh, here it is, their name right here. Country Squire. Busted window. How's the back window? Solid. Oh, there is a mattress back there. Mattress and box spring. Oh, God.
Josh, get it.
Hell no. Nope. Fix it up. Put a new Mustang V8 engine in that mug. Look, it's got like racing stripes, bro. Like a 390 engine. I don't know if they know that's good.
This thing hauls, huh? I
bet. If we can open up the hood, I bet it's got a big ass 8-cylinder. Fucking, I think a rat just kissed my hand. I feel the ledge. It's right there. We gotta pop the hood. Hey Mike, this is Josh with American AF Dumpsters. Hey, I'm here at the property dropping off this 30. Give me a call if you call me in the next few minutes. I just had a question. I know you said on the right side of the property, but also give me a call back either way. I'm curious about the property. If you're gonna put it on the market, let me know. I know you mentioned that you're gonna put it up for sale. Depending on the price, I might be willing to just take it off your hands as is. So give me a call back. Let's see what he says. Jesus. Scared the shit out of me. This thing's turned all the way up. This guy is actually our second walk-in customer. So the first one I delivered literally yesterday. And this one, look, the dumpster, just walking into our shop, knew where we were and knew of us because of where we're at, which is kind of cool. Plus, that puts a logo in the front. Always think about branding. Is that good? Think they can open the door there? 20 minutes it shows on my GPS. Oh, perfect. No problem at all. You have a good weekend. And we're off. Good. I have PTSD from this house. Yeah, I'm running over the grass a little bit. Okay. Ah, she said her mom's car was in the way. I think I can grab it. Oh, good morning. I'm sorry. So sorry.
I'm trying to sneak all this shit in.
Oh no.
I'm only 100 trying to do.
Oh yeah, this one's always really hard to fill up and get it closed.
Okay, can you just grab the door?
Sure. Sure.
Could you put the wheelbarrow in if I help you?
Put the wheelbarrow in? Yeah, we'll throw it in from the top.
If I leave, this box will fall.
Okay. Well,
See what best.
what do you want to do? The wheelbarrow or the clothes?
We can throw the box in too for you. You can let it fall out and we'll throw it in.
It's not heavy, it's just. I'm wasting up your time, I'm sorry.
No problem. Just let it go and we'll figure it. Oh, okay.
We'll throw it in for you.
Thank you.
All right, no problem. Watch your head. We'll see. We'll see if I can get it up there. Attempt one. There's only one attempt. Hold on. There we go. There we go.
Bingo.
So heavy.
Are these going or staying? Okay. All right. You thought you were gonna catch a blooper. Oh, there she goes.
We can tag team this.
There we go. Cool.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. But hang on, I can push it.
All right, lady, you're gonna have to watch out because I'm ready to go. I have to drag it out though. All right, lady, get out from behind me. Seriously. It's a little tight here. No wonder Daniel's got those balls of steel. All right. See you later, lady. She's following us, bro. I think the other side is what I gotta worry about. Here. All right, we're all set. Have a good one. thank you. I'll wait for a couple years and then.
What you got in there?
Yo, trash, bunch of household debris. Yeah.
Have a good one.
Cool, thank you, you too. And we out. I answer my phone all the time. And I'm okay with that, but. Alright, thank you. Ain't nobody. North Texas Waste Solutions. No, North Texas Waste Removal. Empty. Bro, I just few years before that. Last time there's like half. Are you kidding me? That is a clean. Bro, it's got like 26s. Holy shit! With a dump trailer, you gotta be shitting me.
Help you?
Yeah, I'm looking
For what?
I was told to talk to him that you guys were looking for a company to do dumpsters, possibly, or to possibly take over the dumpster service.
We have to use Republic because of the Grand Prairie ordinance.
Ah,
So
okay.
Nobody here is that now.
The Republic, yeah, they have.
This is a city deal.
Yeah.
And I'm not looking to tangle with.
No, I don't blame you at all. Yeah.
Let me take your information.
Okay.
Let him.
All right.
But like I said, this for everything we know, unless they change the rules around here, it's a Grand Prairie requirement for businesses to use Republic.
Yeah.
Yeah, if y'all get anywhere with that,
So we don't charge any of the extra crazy fees that they do, and I know how it is. Gotcha.
It wasn't him, so
Okay.
I'll hang on to you.
Sounds good. I appreciate it. Have a good one. And he was actually okay with my haul rate. Sounded like he was really okay with my haul rate. Problem is, they use Republic, and they say because it's the city of Grand Prairie, they have to use Republic. So that is going to be it for today. Not a crazy busy day, but not a too slow day either. We got 340s in the yard, but luckily we got all three of them going out on Monday. So that's a good thing. I made an offer on that house. I don't think the guy took me seriously. I offered him half of what his realtor said it was, but thought I'd give my shot. Why not, you know? Other than that, I think we're done. I hope you all have a good weekend. This is Friday for us. When you're watching this, I have no idea what it's going to be for you, but hope you guys have a good weekend. Make sure you spend that time with the family. Make sure you like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and before David swooshes the camera away, don't forget, again, November 7th and 8th, Dumpster Expo. The website should be up any day now, www.dumpsterexpo.com. It's going to be big. It's going to be bigger. It's going to be better. It's going to be badder. It's going to be riztacular. We'll see you on the next one.